Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Epson L3250 is powered and within the router range. This matters because signal quality prevents failed pairing. Next, gather your network name and exact password and make sure you'll use a 4 GHz network. This printer often won't show 5 GHz. Then open the Epson app or the printer control panel. Once done, press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the light flashes to enter setup mode. This tells the printer to accept new credentials. You'll continue by choosing the connection method that matches your router and skill level. If using the Epson app, select Wi-Fi setup, pick your SSID, and carefully type the password. Case matters. Then tap Connect. The app handles DHCP and prints a test. If your router supports WPS, press WPS on the router within 2 minutes of the printer's Wi-Fi light blinking and let them pair automatically. Make sure to wait for a steady Wi-Fi indicator before moving on to avoid intermittent drops. You finish by updating the printer firmware to ensure stable Wi-Fi performance. The app or Epson tool will guide you. After an update, print a network status sheet to confirm IP address and signal strength. If the printer doesn't connect, reboot the router and printer, wait 30 seconds, then retry. This clears temporary conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, check the router's 4 GHz settings and SSID visibility. Hidden networks and certain channel settings can block the L3250 from joining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.